Hey everyone, Chip Walters here, and I just want to share with you something I just started, which is a Patreon page, which is kind of unique. It's a $1 only, and this is a $1 per month for a lifetime for this particular tier. And this tier has got a lot going for it. Let me show you some of the stuff I'm talking about. We have these human scale mannequins that you can pose. They come in different materials. And what's great about them is they represent the 97.5 male, the 50% male, the 50% female, and the 2.5% female. And so what that means is that you can use these to design just about anything that has to interface with a human. Because they're posable, you can adjust them any way you like. And furthermore, they come in seated positions and standing positions. So they're very accurate. I used the actual human scale model set up by Henry Dreyfuss years ago. That's one thing. Another one that I'll talk about here in a little bit are these laptops, keyboards. There's a mouse. There's two different keyboards. Lots of different things in this particular K-Pack set. And then there's also all these little videos that I use that I've posted to help people learn about tips and tricks on Blender, as well as some things that I've been working on myself. Here's a video talking about the new 2.91 Boolean tutorial. This one's actually available also on YouTube, but I do give you the file here, which you can't get on YouTube. And then I've been doing this really interesting design patterns notes series, where I'm actually talking about design and some of the best practices in terms of creating sci-fi details in your designs. This is going to be a continuing series, and you'll be getting all of that as I generate it. And there'll be more. Anyone that signs up for $1, you'll keep the $1 tier for life. I will be creating new tiers that are more expensive. Also, jump in, ask me questions. So I hope you find this interesting, and if you are, jump in for $1 a month, and I think you'll find it useful. Let me show you real quick some of the things that we've just been talking about. So let's first take a look at some of these computer parts in the OrthoK Pack. As you can see, we've got keyboards, a junction box, and some of these other things. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to grab, say, a junction box, and I'm going to turn auto scale off so that it comes in at the actual right size. Select my object, add the insert, and there it comes in. And that looks pretty good. I can move it around. Again, we're using KitOps, and you can use the KitOps free version if you like. Let's grab a keyboard, and let's add that insert. We'll put that right here, something like that. And then we'll grab maybe a monitor and add that insert over here. Move this keyboard, and as you can see, when you zoom up on these, they are a very accurate model in terms of how they look and how they work. I've used a lot of photo reference and mapping on these guys. Let's grab a mouse, stick it down here. Here's a MacBook or a Razer Stealth. We'll try that, and there it goes. Hit the RZ, and we can rotate it around. Anyway, so that gives you an idea of just some of the many things that are in this K-Pack. So here we are in the OrthoK Pack, and Ergo's pretty interesting in that we've got all these human scale objects. And again, I'm going to make sure auto scale is turned on, and if I just grab, for instance, a 97.5 percentile man, that means that 97.5% of men are shorter than this man. So let's grab here, add this insert, we'll drag him in here. You can see that's how big he is. Let's go ahead and take a 2.5 percentile woman, and we can see how small she is compared to him. If we go to Ergo Outline, we can see all of the characters, and let's grab a 50 percentile man, and we'll add him right here. And this is kind of a nice material because you can see right through it. We can also do sitting people, the wooden, and we'll grab a 50 percentile man sitting, and we'll stick him right here and set him down. So there's a 50 percentile man sitting, and they have all these materials that you can work with them. So these are just a couple of the products that we are going to be sharing with our $1 tier members, and as I said, that will change. That $1 tier will move up, so you want to get in early, and it'll stay the same for you. Okay, well that's it. Hope to see you online, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.